In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add testimonials and reviews to your Wix website. Adding testimonials to your website is a great way to build trust with visitors and help potential customers feel more confident about your business. Wix makes this process simple by giving you ready-made testimonial sections that you can customize to match your brand. To get started, open your site in either the Wix editor or Wix Studio, depending on which version you are using. Once your site is open, go to the left-hand toolbar and click Add Elements, which is the plus icon. This is where you'll find different content options you can place on your website. If you are working in Wix Studio, choose Sections to browse through pre-designed content blocks. These are helpful because they save time and give your site a polished look right away. If you are using the standard Wix editor, click Add Sections from the left-hand side instead. Both options are designed to help you insert full section layouts quickly and easily. Next, navigate to the Testimonials category. Here, you'll see a variety of testimonial and review templates with different styles and layouts. Take a moment to choose one that fits your brand and the overall design of your website. Once you find the one you want, click it to add it to your page. After the testimonial section appears on your site, click directly on the testimonial card to begin editing it. Replace the placeholder text with your own review content and update the star ratings to match the feedback you want to display. You can also upload the reviewer's image to make the testimonial feel more authentic and visually engaging. As you edit, try to keep the formatting consistent so the section looks clean and professional. Before publishing, it's a good idea to quickly review the section to make sure the text is accurate, the images look good, and everything aligns nicely with the rest of your page. Small adjustments in spacing or wording can make a big difference in how polished the final result feels. When you are happy with everything, click Save and then Publish to make your changes live on your website. That's it. Thanks for watching.